Alright, good morning guys. It's Tuesday, November 20th, 2018, and I ended up winning, if you were just watching the beginning of this video, the $30 storage unit with about 3 bags of clothes and a bunch of hangers full of clothes. Now, it also has sales tax and buyer's premium, which is 15%, and here in Florida, 7%. So the sales tax was like $210, and the buyer's premium was like $4.50-ish. So the total was $36.60. Plus, I'm gonna spend a couple bucks in gas to go get it. So just call it $40 out the door for probably a couple hundred pieces of clothing, at least 150, 200 pieces of clothing. Now, what I could see on the racks looked like I could easily get $30 or $40 back. I really wanted that $400 unit or $350 unit, but somebody bid 10 bucks more than me. Kind of disappointing. I should have stayed up and waited for it. But anyways, let's go up here and get this unit that I paid $36 plus gas for. One thing to always bring with you is your own lock. I don't have any right now, so I'm actually going to stop at the store really quick and grab a combination lock or a key lock, because when the storage unit cuts off the lock or removes the security thing from there, you have to put your own lock on there to secure it, or it's going to be wide open. Now, if you intend on cleaning it out all at once and not coming back, you won't need a lock. But if you intend on getting some of it and having to make 2 trips, or maybe just going to take a look at it and coming back later, you definitely need a lock to lock it up. So I'm going to go spend 5 bucks on a lock and do that. So let's get headed out right now. Alright guys, so we won the smaller of the 2 units, which is going to be inside of over my shoulder here. She opened the door, so can't wait to go in here and see what we found, what we got. So it's number 25, that's 26, here's 25. So I paid 30 bucks, so I mean really can't go wrong with 30 bucks. Let's see, she just cut the lock off. Let's see what's inside. Oh, here we go. There's that shirt that we saw. Look, bags of clothes, laundry hamper of clothes, some more clothes, and then we got 2 mattresses that we have to get rid of, so that's gonna be it. So these are the 2 storage units, and then I wanna check it out and see what's inside. Everyone was loving this shirt. The shirt's just pretty cool. It's like a novelty shirt, but probably worth what, 10 or 15 bucks, right? Maybe 10, 15 bucks. Let's see what else is in here. Let's see what kind of clothes we got up in here. So this is Forever 21, 21 Men, Forever 21, Forever 21, Lane Bryant. That's a nice Lane Bryant blazer type thing. Wow, there's a bunch of clothes. Some other brands. Not bad stuff in here. What's this? Looks like some kind of polo shirt, maybe. I know what this is, what brand this is. Sean John. So you can see there's some clothes up here. Not amazing, but there's some decent stuff up here that should get back the $30. This shirt up here looks like be okay. Couple of decent pieces up there. It's like a dress back here, some kind of white dress. So for you clothing sellers, this wouldn't have been a bad unit, but for 30 bucks, I'll be able to throw all this in the SUV. I'll strap that up, grab my dad's truck, and just chuck those in the trash, and we'll be all set and out of here in like 20 minutes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is why we do what we do. So remember, 30 bucks based on what I could see, which was the clothes. That bag contained all these shoes. We got Reeboks, Nikes, Adidas, and check it out. I don't know if they're real yet. I'm not the best, but these are Gucci shoes. Can we see the Gucci on these? Can we? Let's see if I can get this to zoom. Hold on. There it is, Gucci. They are not in the greatest shape, but not bad. These shoes should pay for the whole unit right there. Gucci, Nike, Adidas. There's probably 10 more pair in there, and that's clothes. That's clothes. So, yeah, there's why we do what we do. Look at all these shoes. There's hundreds of dollars in shoes right there. I haven't even touched the clothes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack these up and get all this out of here, and then I'll have to get rid of these 2 mattresses. This is kind of the bad part. I'll tell you guys, there's some downside. You gotta get rid of everything that's in the unit. So those 2 mattresses, if they weren't there, I could be out of here and on my way, but those gotta go as well. I don't think they're gonna fit in the SUV. I can strap them to the top, drive them over to the dumpster that I have access to, and we'll be out of there. But everything else on the way. That's awesome. These shoes killed it. So you never know what's in them. Bid on what you can see, take what you get. All right guys, what's up? I wanted to do the second half of this video as a haul from what I got from the storage unit, which was incredible. It was an amazing storage unit. I paid $30 for the unit. The sales tax was $2.10, so $32.10. And then there's a buyer's premium on storage auctions. In this case, it happened to be 15%. Sometimes it's 10, sometimes it's 15, sometimes 20. This one was 15%, so that's like $4.50. So it was $36.60, I think was the total. Anyways, out of pocket, 36 and change, and not bad for what I get. Now, my warning to you guys buying storage auctions, you have to have a way to transport the merchandise. You know that I have a ridiculous car that will not hold anything. I also have an SUV, which is how I was able to hold the bags of clothes and shoes. But there was a mattress in this SUV, so I actually had to call my dad to come down and grab the mattress and throw it away. So the rules of the storage auction are you have to clean it out 100%. Most times they require a cleaning deposit. I had to get a hold on my card or give them cash for $100. And then when you're finished and they inspect it and everything's cleaned out, including sweeping it out, take a broom with you, you will get your $100 back, which I did. And so I had to get rid of that mattress. I could have strapped it to the top of our SUV, I suppose, but generally when you get a lot of stuff, when you're bidding, you're gonna see a bunch of bags and boxes and tubs that you want, but then you're gonna see this mattress or this bed frame that just needs to go in the dumpster. So we ended up going to the storage unit and dumping the mattress, but also I went through the bags really quickly and there was just a bunch of junk clothes and like socks and stuff. All that stuff just went out to the garbage. I kept 2 bags of stuff. One was the good clothes and one was this bag of shoes, which was incredible. You guys just saw in the video. Remember, I'm only into it for $36, so I'm gonna show you guys the items that I kept right away, not including the shoes, because we haven't even gone through all the shoes yet. And you guys are gonna see how good this one worked out. So, found a PS4 remote, which even after fees and shipping, I should get about 20 bucks for this. So this covered half of the storage unit right there. This Auto bag, which Auto is a decent brand, ALDO. It's cute, it's in fairly good shape. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, maybe I can get 10 or 15 bucks out of it. We'll see. So these 2 items alone almost covered the unit. So let's go over the clothes that I got. Now, we've already washed these. We put them in the wash machine last night. I dried them before I went to bed. Kate's gonna have to do some inspecting on them. And if there's any stains or damage, just toss them out. It's no big deal. So this is a Divided shirt. This is, Divided is by H&M, if you don't know. H&M is a decent brand. So this one's kind of a decent shirt. This is I believe this is like a medium. Yeah, it's like a men's medium or adult medium. So these are shirts that aren't gonna do well. Maybe 10, 12 bucks, but you know, a couple bucks here and there doesn't really hurt. So this girl's shirt, this is a Lacoste striped shirt. And Lacoste never fail. I mean, it's real. I checked out the gator. If you don't know how to tell fake Lacoste, you can Google it. It's pretty easy. It should be a clean print Lacoste. It should have the size, the gator teeth, everything should be clean. This one looks in good shape. So, you know, $15 shirt. Again, we're already into profit without going any further. Check this out. And this is real. I already checked out the tag. Everything looks good on this. True Religion. $15, $20 True Religion shirt, at least, maybe 25. I don't know. I haven't really sold a True Religion t-shirt in a while. We got another True Religion shirt. Say another 20 to be safe. So that's 40. The Lacoste shirt at 15 is 55. The other shirt at 10, 65. Controller at probably 25 before fees, so 90. And then the purse at least 15. That's 105. Remember, I'm only into this for $36.60. We're already at 105 gross. We're already profitable even after fees and shipping. This is the one you guys were asking me about being I think somebody had said it might be Bape, the bathing ape, but it wasn't. It actually turned out to be this, is it a Moschino? It's still a cool shirt. It's still worth some money. I have to look up the comps. Somebody might want to comment below what they think this thing is worth. I'm sure it's at least a $15 or $20 shirt. It might be worth a lot more. I don't know anything about that one. Got this Lane Bryant women's size 20 plus size blazer. Pretty cool. Something like this is probably 25, 30 bucks. keep showing you guys. This is another H&M divided. Says, I got 99 problems. Good sell, probably 15 on that. Let's keep rolling along here. What else we got? Another True Religion shirt. This one's actually really good. True Religion California American Legend shirt. Now again, we haven't inspected these completely for stains or damage yet. I don't see any right off the top. Let me pull that out, there you go. There's the back of it. Another $20 shirt, 25. All right, another H&M lady shirt. Fairly cute. So you can see I kept the brands. I mean, there's a couple $100, probably easily $200, maybe $250 worth of clothes here. Here's another one, which again, haven't inspected it yet, but it looks to be real. Made in Italy, 3XL. It's definitely not 3XL anymore unless it's a kid's 3XL. It's Gucci. There's the Gucci tag on it. It says 3XL, but it's definitely not a men's 3XL, so I'll have to look into that with the measurements. This shirt was kind of cool. It's H&M. It's Hawaiian H&M. I mean, you're just adding up the 10s, 15s, $20 shirts here. It's really no big deal. This is called 10X Deep Victory. I don't know anything about this, but I thought it had cool graphics and cool shirt. It's a button down. It says wild card on the back. Try to get like 15 or 20 out of that. And then finally, the last piece is just a polo by Ralph Lauren polo. No big deal, extra large. So, I mean, there's, with the Gucci shirt, if it's real, which I think it is, at least $200, $250. Remember, it took me 5 minutes to bid on this auction and about 30, 35 minutes to clean out the unit, load it into my car, go through it, we toss it in the washing machine, ready to go, can list this stuff without going to thrifting stores. Just call it a total of an hour driving round trip, hour and a half even, and got all this stuff and gonna be able to sell it. Now, let's get to the second part of the haul, which is even better. So this part was an entire garbage bag, of black garbage bag of shoes, of tennis shoes, men's shoes, couple women's. So I went through this reasonably well, not great, but I mean, there's Converse shoes in here, Converse shoes, which they're worn. I mean, there's no doubt about it, they're worn. They're not bad. They're size, let's see, size 11 men's, so a little smaller than my foot, but pretty good. And so they've got the matching pairs. We've also got a pair of these Reebok black tops. I mean, even if these shoes are 25, 30 bucks a piece, I mean, hello, there's probably another pair of Reeboks. These are, I don't know what these are, but they're Reeboks. And I've got the matching shoes to every single one of them. There's the other black top. This is another pair of, if I remember right, these are Jordans. Yes, these are Jordans of some type. There they are on the bottom. Not familiar with these. Something I could sell for 30 bucks. Maybe they're 50 bucks. Who knows? Pair of Reeboks. They're all worn, but they're all in decent shape. They're things that, you know, you find on eBay for cheap. Another pair of these bright red, geez, these are crazy bright red Adidas shoes. These ones are worn pretty good. These ones may not be sellable. Here is the winner though, and I'm gonna have to post pictures online. If you guys are experts or know what you're doing authenticating these, please help me with this because I don't know the answer to this. These are some Gucci shoes. Try to show them to you. They are worn, they've got the fronts worn, but they do say clearly Gucci on the side. Try to zoom that up for you guys. The logos are embroidered into it, into the tag. Inside the bottom of the shoe it says Gucci. I've got both of them. The other one's somewhere in here. I'll find it in a minute. There you go. There's the other one. So these are Gucci. I'll take some better pictures and post them on social media. I'm horrible at authenticating real stuff, so I don't have any reason to believe they're fake. Maybe. There's the other Converse to that other shoe. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair without the Gucci. Another pair of Reebok. These are pretty cool. 6 pair without the Gucci. Another pair here. These are Vans off the walls. I know what these are. Cool pair of Vans. That's 7 pair. Another pair here, these bright blue. These are weird shoes. These are Adidas, but they're weird. 9 pairs. I think there's like 12 or 13 pairs at least in here of complete pairs. Another pair of Adidas. That's 10 pairs. Some Supra shoes, but these are ridiculously destroyed. These things are worn to crap. Another pair of Nike. So I'm not gonna keep going through. There's probably several more pairs in here. Yeah, there's some loafer type shoes. Anyways, there's just call it 13, 14 pair of shoes. If I can net, without the Gucci's, if I can net 20 bucks a pair, that's another 260, 250, call it 200 on top of the other stuff. Easily turned this $36 unit into over $500 or $600. And really, there's only gonna be about 1 day of listing, maybe 2. Get the shoes up in 1 day, put up 13 pair of shoes in a day. Should be able to get up these plus the other 13 shirts or whatever it was, 26. Should be able to get them all up in 1 day. And you know, with listing, a couple hours, 3-4 hours of listing, and then an hour, hour and a half of getting it. You're talking about 1 day of work when you add in the time it'll take to pack them, ship them, account for them, etc. Should be an easy $400 to $450 in profit. And of course, these Gucci shoes are on point if they're real. I'll take the photos, I'll post them. Please help me if you can. I'll put them on Instagram and Facebook. Otherwise, there you guys go. But remember the downfalls of storage units. Gotta be able to haul away the trash. Gotta be able to give them the cleaning deposit. Gotta have the money up front. Gotta bid on them. A lot of them end in the middle of the night. Gotta have a way to haul it, a way to store it. A lot of it's gonna be full of tools, big stuff that you may have to store. If you have a storage unit, that works. But it's really good. It's not a bad way to make some money. I've done it my whole life. I've bought storage units since before they were on TV. They went through the roof. Now they've come back to a little bit of normalcy. There's still a lot of overpriced ones, so be careful. But I thought you guys would enjoy this, and because I found some really good stuff, some Gucci, some True Religion, can't beat that, right? Nike, Adidas, Reebok, the whole deal. So hopefully you enjoyed it, enjoyed the video, enjoyed the haul. And if you have any questions, use the comment section below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed, because I'm gonna have more storage unit videos, flea market videos, yard sale videos, everything coming up for you guys here as we crest over Thanksgiving, which is tomorrow. Wow. All the way through the holiday season, all the way through Christmas and into the new year. I'll have some amazing videos. So thank you guys for all the support. Thank you for everything in 2018, and let's keep it pushing into 2019. See you guys next time.